These niggas leeches, bitches, blood suckers.
Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I look like a mess right now, so I decided to do a makeup tutorial. We're gonna start off with the eyes first, and we're gonna use the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. We're gonna use this as an eyeshadow primer, and I love using this as a primer, guys. I'm telling you, it brightens up the eyelids and it also keeps the eyeshadow on longer compared to a regular eye primer. Next, we are gonna use the Tarte and Bloom palette. I absolutely love this palette. We're gonna take the shade Charmer, and we're just gonna put this all over the eyelids. This is just gonna give us a nice smooth canvas and just set that concealer that we just put on there. Taking the shade Smarty Pants, we're going to be using the Morphe R39 brush with it, and we're going to start off with the outer corners of the eyes and just blend it towards the inner corners. And as you can see, guys, my eyes are monolids, so I'm trying to make a little bit of a cut crease to this look. We're going to take the shade Leader, and we're going to be darkening the outer corners of the eyes. Taking the shade Activist, we're also going to be darkening up the corners even more with this shade. This shade is very pigmented, so be very light-handed when using this shade. I'm going to be blending it towards the middle portion of my eyes. Taking my flat brush, I'm going to be using it with concealer. I'm going to be taking the Nars concealer, and I love this concealer to use onto my eyes. It's a thick consistency, so it is easy to work with and also easy to draw on like a cut crease. That is what I'm doing right now. I'm trying to draw a cut crease.
Cop expensive clothes when I'm on vacation. I came to the hood, gave them motivation. Crashed a foreign on the road, but a no for racing.
Blood suckers, 100, keep a 100, drug runner. Top gunner, young motherfucker came up. Smoke dope, you smoking 100s, blazer. One token, get you slump, hunching big shit. Real shit.
Going back in with the shade Activist, I'm going to be putting this on the outer corners of the eyes, and I'm just doing this to blend out the concealer that we just put on. Here I have my Badescu facial mist, and I have another flat brush, and I'm going to be misting it. Taking the shade Firecracker, I'm going to be putting this on the middle portion of my eyelids, and it does have a little bit of a shimmer, so it's a little cute. Taking a smaller brush, I'm going to be putting Activist, and I'm just putting a little bit. A little does go a long way with this, so just be careful because it is pigmented. But I'm going to be putting this on the inner corners of my eyes and just blending that. Okay, for the exciting parts, I'm using Stila's Kitten Karma, and it is my favorite glitter ever. I absolutely love it. It's so pigmented, so glittery, so pretty. I'm applying it with my flat brush and making sure that it's only on the center of my eyes, because sometimes I could get carried away and put it all over my eyelids. Next, I'm going to be taking my compact eyelash color from the Faceshop. It's the best eyelash color out there. I'm going to be curling my non-existing eyelashes. I love this eyelash color because it actually gets all my lashes and it just curls it super quick and easy. Taking a angled brush. This one is from Maxx, and I had it for a long time. Taking my Maybelline Eyestudio eyeliner, I'm just going to be applying my eyeliner onto my eyelids. I don't usually make it too precise just because I usually just pop on my eyelashes right on top of that. And once I make a line, I usually just wing it out. Okay. It is now time for the lashes. I'm taking Velour and my eyelash glue. I'm gonna be applying the eyelash glue onto the eyelashes. I like to swish it in the air a little bit before applying them on. And then once they are ready, I usually just pop them right on top of my natural lash. Okay. And then I'm just doing the same process to the other side of my eyes. We are going to be priming with Hourglass, and I usually like to apply it only on the T-zone areas because that is where I'm usually oily. And if you notice, I like to pat it into my face very gently. I don't like to swipe it just because I feel like it takes off all the product. Going back in with my Badescu facial mist, I am going to be misting my sponge. Taking my It Cosmetics CC cream in Illumination. This one has little glitters in them. I'm going to be putting it onto the sponge. And usually one pump goes a long way. I'm just going to be dabbing it onto my face. Dabbing will give it more coverage, and if you swipe, it's not going to give as much coverage. You're just swiping away all the foundation. So I usually like coverage, so I usually just dab it all over my face. Next, we are going to be doing the eyebrows with the Designing Eyebrow Pencil by the Faceshop. One side is angled, and then on the other side it has the brush to blend everything out. I usually start off with just outlining my eyebrows. With my eyebrows, I usually just fill in wherever I don't have much hair or wherever it's sparse, and I usually just blend it all out after. Going back in with the Nars concealer, I'm going to be using a flat brush with it. This is going to help with shaping up my eyebrows and cleaning it up a bit. Going in with the Tarte Shape Tape, we are going to be concealing them under eyes. I usually put 2 dots on both sides and just blend it all out. A little does go a long way with this. Taking It Cosmetics translucent powder and a big fluffy brush, we're going to be brushing this all over the face to set the makeup. Don't forget the neck, the chin, the cheeks, and just everywhere else. It's mascara time. This one is from the Faceshop. I absolutely love this to use on my bottom lashes. Do you guys see that? This mascara made my bottom lashes from non-existent to existent. Taking my e.l.f. highlighter and my Morphe M501 brush, we are going to be highlighting. Gonna start off by highlighting the cheekbones. Okay. And just doing the same for the other side. The bridge of the nose. The tip of the nose. the chin, the Cupid's bow, and I like to use my finger for this. It gives off a little bit more pigment, and then I go in with the brush to blend it out. I'm using a smaller brush for the brow bone, and then I'm just going in with a neutral tone lip gloss from Bite Cosmetics. I highly recommend this lip gloss for those of you who have chapped lips. It is so hydrating. Yes! Alright, moving on to the hair. This is my crazy hair. I didn't brush it, I just woke up like that. Taking my Tangle Teaser, I'm gonna be brushing my hair. Compared to a regular brush, this does not break or damage my hair at all, especially since my hair is bleached out. This product is a 10. It's a leave-in treatment with 10 benefits. I got the keratin infused to help with frizz and smoothing of the hair. I'm going to be layering Paul Mitchell's Glass Shop, which is an oil to help with smoothing and hydrating of the hair. I usually add half a pump into my hands and apply it towards the bottom of my hair, which is the driest part. Lastly, I'm adding Paul Mitchell's Neuro Heat Protectant all over my hair. Once my hair is all prepped, I'm taking a clip to section my hair. Now it's time to curl my hair. I'm taking a section and I'm just curling it inwards. Then I repeat the same for the other side. Yes girl, we are all done. If you guys like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Also, if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button for more videos, and I will catch you in my next one.
I'm a road runner, chase chicken. Never told them let me hold something, go and take shit. Ain't a nana but it hold something like a cake clip. It gotta stop so when that pole bustin' ain't no shaking. Look at have your nose running, face it. Cop expensive clothes when I'm on vacation.